Hello and welcome to MyNextWatch.com. This is a site that I made to help people find their next show that they want to watch based on their likes and dislikes in a way that works similar to a dating app where you swipe on cards. Now, when you first visit the site, you'll see these demo GIFs that show you how to use the site, such as when to like and dislike based on whether you've liked a show or disliked a show that you've actually watched. When to swipe up and down. Swiping up will add the show to your list. Swiping down is if you haven't watched a show or if you're just neutral about a show. Once you've added some to your list, you will see them in your watch list in the hamburger menu on the side. And once you've liked at least 10 shows, you'll be recommended some shows based on those likes. Now, if you look at the main screen here, you see the cards in the middle. They will show a poster image of the show itself. You will also see a rating, that is the TMDB rating. Of course, this site is powered by TMDB, the movie database. You can click on this info button to show a small synopsis of the show itself. You can click on the View on TMDB button to show further information about the show on the TMDB website. Now let me show you how I might use this site. For example, I have seen Stranger Things and I very much like the first season and I think the show is good overall, even if some later seasons aren't so much. So I will like this one. Welcome to Derry, I have not seen. I will swipe down. Have not seen this. And so on and so forth. Supernatural I like. Grey's Anatomy I have seen, but I do not like, and so I dislike it. So once I've liked enough shows, I will start being recommended some shows. You can see here that it shows me a because you liked little piece of text. And those recommendations are of course based on my likes and dislikes. And I can continue going on through these shows and liking those that I enjoy and disliking those that I don't. Now often, because these are shows that are similar to the ones that I do like, I might want to add them to my list. Maybe I haven't, this would be because I haven't seen them. And so let's pretend that I haven't seen these shows. Once I've added those to my list, they will appear on the side here and I can click them for further information, or I can press the rubbish icon to remove them, let's say if I've watched it. So currently this site is just a proof of concept. I endeavor to make this a full project with user logins and a more sophisticated recommendation algorithm based on other users' data, but of course I'll need user logins to be able to capture that fully. Right now the recommendations is just based on the TMDB similar shows list, and once I've done that there should be a much smarter recommendation system happening. If enough people use the show, then I will continue on with the project like that. That does mean though that currently all of your data is just stored in your browser, and so it can be deleted if you delete your browsing data, and that might happen for a few reasons, so just be careful of that this data, your list and your likes and dislikes, are not stored in a permanent way. As you're using this site, if you find any feedback, if you find any issues, or if you have any feedback, or if you want another feature that you think would be cool, please get in contact and I will endeavor to add it or fix it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using the site.